Hey guys, so we're going to be going into Learning Express Toys, and I'm very excited because we're going to see how much things I could get and how worth they are.
What are you looking for in there?
$20. I'm looking for a groovy fruit Neato, and then I'm also looking for a rainbow strawberry poppet. So if I don't see, and I'm also looking for a slime liquor, but if I don't see the slime liquor, which I probably won't, then I'm gonna see if I really want something else, then I'll probably get it. But then possibly, this might not happen, but we might go to Five Below and use the rest of my money if I have some money left that I want to use. So let's go.
So what are all these?
So this is a simple dimple, a snapper, wacky tracks, pop tubes, monkey noodles,
What are they for?
marble mesh, and a zipper thing. I forgot what it's called.
What are they all for though?
Stress, anxiety, ADHD. No.
Which one are you looking for?
I was looking for what is it called? It's here.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yes. I was also looking for a strawberry. Oh my gosh, I just got it.
Okay, that one is $7. OMG Pop Fidgety. Let me get it.
Yeah.
What is this thing? This thing looks cool. Whoops. Oh, sorry. Look at this guy. Globby. Oh, look at this
Those are
guy.
really embarrassing. Grit.
How cool is
Get
that?
it, grit, globby.
Look, they got him right here.
For yourself.
So you found one you like?
I want this one.
Let me see what you got. Flamingo?
And then this fruit.
Let me do pop it.
Now let's see if they have slime liquors. I don't think they do. Maybe. Slime liquor. That's $13. Definitely not getting that.
Are you ready to check out?
Yes.
All right, let's check out. All right, so you got your 20.
Yes. Hopefully it's $20.
Okay, $17.10
There you go.
out of 20.
How much you getting back?
I am getting $3 back.
Something like that.
$3 and something cents, right?
We'll see. Do you want a bag?
What?
You want a bag?
Yes.
Here's $2.90 back.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me get you a bag. All right, there we go. Have a good weekend.
Thanks, you too. What'd you think, Isla?
I think it was awesome. We got
Show me
many
what you got.
cool
Here,
things.
stand over on this side so I can get better light. Okay, go ahead.
So we got this flamingo poppet. They did not have the rainbow strawberry, but you know what? I probably will find that online because I was looking online. We surprisingly found this as the last one. I was shaking. I was so happy. There is some dust on it, so I get why this one wouldn't be chosen. So when I get home, I'm just gonna wet it and wash it with soap and stuff, and I'm probably gonna also do that to my poppet. But this was very fun. I do not have enough money for Five Below
Should we go
because
to
I have
Five Below?
I have $1 and a few cents.
Should we go to Five Below anyways just to look?
Sure, just to entertain you guys.
All right, guys, we just got done at Learning Toys Express, which is over here, and now we're gonna go to Five Below, which is way over there. All right, Isla, you ready to go to Five Below?
I am very ready.
All right, let's go. Oh, they got pool noodles on. How much are their pool noodles? They're $1.
Yeah. You remember when you got 100 pool noodles and it was $100?
Yeah. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
I gave everybody a pool noodle.
To keep, right?
Yeah, to keep. Take it home. Okay, cool. Five Below. Alright. Alright, let's see what they got. Hello! Oh, look. Check it out. Look at this.
I don't think they're kicking us out, which is good.
This is all the pool section of Five Below. Check it out. Look at all the pool floats. What's your favorite one? Look at this one. Deal with it. You want to take our picture up there?
Sure.
And the llama.
Let's go
And there's
through.
a tire.
Let's go through it, okay?
Okay, I'm just
Cool.
looking at all the different ones.
Yeah, it's
Oh my god, look at that one.
toucan. Look at that toucan. I like that.
You like the toucan?
Yeah.
Should we get one? Maybe not.
Sure.
Let's keep going.
Yeah,
We'll come back.
let's look at everything and then decide what we're
Yeah,
getting.
I like this stuff.
Bit of what I did where you where you just look at stuff while you buy stuff while you go through the store, then you're gonna end up spending millions of dollars.
That's right. All right, what else do you want to look at? Oh, this is cool. It's like a watermelon welcome mat.
Oh, it's watermelon at the end.
That is cool.
Let's go in the other aisle. What's this? Reusable ice cube. You make.
Oh,
There's
you
water
freeze
in
it,
it,
and then
and you
you-
freeze it, and then you make ice cube shapes.
That's cool.
For our like big thing that you squirt water in, or won't it go through?
Yeah, it's okay. We're already
That's
set
cool,
ice in.
right?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, look at that Sour Patch. Red, white, and blue.
So last weekend when I went here, they didn't have slime liquors, so
Do they have them now?
I don't think so. But let's look just in case,
Okay,
because
what are we
they
looking?
might have.
What are slime liquors?
So slime liquors are like these slime things that like these slime things. It's from this company, the Toxic Waste Company.
Toxic waste. Alright.
So yeah, you guys might know when our
Hey,
subscribers.
ghost pepper chili things.
Yeah.
That's good.
So in our subscribers, our viewers, you might know that what slime liquors are. They're like soury flavored.
It's candy?
And yes, it's candy. You lick it.
Oh, you like it?
It's called slime liquors.
Hey, Smurf's Haribo.
Magic potion.
These are beer flavored jelly beans. They got
50. So that means how much money?
Yeah,
So
if you get-
150
and you have $2.
take
right?
it. Yeah. So how
Okay.
much money do I have left?
Well, it's 7% tax, so you'll probably get.
I'll have.
some change.
I'll
You'll
have.
probably get
I
30
have
cents
one.
back.
I think I have $1.20 left. No, 10 cents left.
Are
A
you
dollar.
ready?
Do I have $1.10 left?
I don't know.
I think so. I'm doing the math. I think I do.
All right, you ready to check out? You keep
I'm
looking?
gonna look a little bit through, and then because I know I need this. I've been here.
You want to go back and look at the summer stuff? Dive rings. Hey, Isla, they got dive rings here. These are $5 for some dive rings.
That's what I was looking for.
You want to get those?
Yes, I like those.
Okay, get those. And
Wait,
then-
but not with my money. I can't.
Okay,
because
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Okay, hold on.
And should we get a float? This one looks funny.
I've already had enough, so I'm not.
No, okay. All right, come on. Here we go. Oh. All right. So what did we get?
So we actually ended up buying stuff. We got you know my mask.
Yeah.
We got these pool diapers. Now this we didn't use my $2, but I'm showing what we got. Got this.
Yeah, that'd be good for Cora too.
Yeah, then we got this. This is what I used for my $2. I had to save some stuff for taxes, so I just got one thing. This is similar to slime lickers. And then we got a lemonade and a Monster. That's just drinks that.
All right.
We're
sounds
thirsty.
good.
It's very sunny. It feels like summer all over again.
All right, guys. See you next time.
Bye. Oh, wait. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.